Welcome back to our channel. We hope you are doing well. We are back with another tech content. Earning money by digital resources always gives you strong vibes. You have definitely listened or have seen somewhere about earning through websites. What are they? What do they do and how to earn with PayPal? What platforms are safe? So you are at the right spot. We will be giving answers to these questions, so stay with us and let us start without wasting any time. Are you a beginner? You want to learn about new websites and apps that pay you money via PayPal. Which app is legit and which is a scam? I know you are confused now about these questions, but we have a proper solution for your concerns and doubts will clear on watching this video to the end. We have a list of that app where you can make money by doing simple tasks and surveys. You can be able to earn a suitable amount from these applications, and these will give you an opportunity to earn online. In this way, thousands of people are making a suitable amount via this method. I personally know many people who find the right place for digital earning app, and now they are earning well. Here are the biggest problem is to find out the best apps which can provide you with an opportunity to earn money. Here we have a list for you to find out the best money-making apps, and this surely reduces your efforts. On number 6, we have paid Viewpoint. Personally, security provided app is such a legit manner which provides you with an opportunity to make surveys, and in the reward you will get the points that will be converted into your original currency on your PayPal account. You will be assigned a task to finish or make a review about it, and in this reward you will get points from the app that is your reward for doing the task. This is such a legit app for you if you are looking for digital earning sources. This app is totally free and signing up here is also totally free without any registration fee. You can easily make a suitable amount here and your earning becomes started. If you are skilled and have the ability to do work with consistency, then you can make a handsome amount here. On number 5, we have Mercari. This is such an amazing app that is totally free for everyone, and there is no fee for registration here. You can be able to sell different products here. You can put pictures of products and add descriptions of them, and people who needed these products will approach your profile, and you can earn profit here by selling things. Mercari will take 10% of your total amount as a commission, but this only applies when you sell or buy something. This is such a legit way to earning, and it is also a type of e-trading, and this app serving many people. Most of the products that have been sold here are headphones, speakers, tablets, and clothes. By using better description and communication skills, you can be able to sell your products easily. There are a lot of people in my contact list who are connected to this website and they are making a suitable amount. If you are familiar with the digital earning apps, then you will surely be known of this app. You can make a suitable amount here, and this opportunity is for everyone. On number 4, we have Rakuten. This is a shopping app where you can earn money by just watching the products and doing surveys, so you can earn money. And your rewarded money will be provided by your PayPal account. This is associated with PayPal. By just signing in, you can join this community, and doing simple research about the product will lead you towards earning. There are various methodologies, but only by doing maximum saving you can make a suitable amount here. There are various opportunities for you if you are looking for a better source of earning via digital means. So this is totally safe and secure app where there are more than 2,000 retailers are present that will provide you with a task, and you are connected to accomplish that assigned task within the deadline. As a reward, they will pay you the amount that will redeem to your PayPal account. There are thousands of people associated with this app, and they are making a handsome amount here. This is such a reliable opportunity for those who are in search of bread and butter on social media forums. On number 3, we have Share Sale Affiliates. This is such a legit app of affiliate marketing that can provide you with the proper way of earning by simple investing your amount in the various products. You can simply sell the products of someone to someone other, and you will get a commission by this way. By making commission or selling your own products on this application, you can earn such a very suitable amount here, and even it is a proper source of earning for almost 10 million people around the world. This is totally secure and safe app for those people who are looking for the proper source of earning on digital platforms. We have observed famous affiliate marketers throughout the world. Almost all of them show a very positive response to this application. This is the clear signing of cleanliness of this app, and the trust of many people reflects that it is one of the best choices for you if you are looking for the best money-making apps on PayPal. On number 2, we have Kareem. I bet you must be familiar with this app, and you must listen to the name of this application. On this app, you can provide your services if you own any vehicle. This is an international app, and you can provide the ride to the people of your region here. By providing the riding services to the people, you can be able to earn suitable amount here. Registration here is totally free, and by connecting with this app, you can be able to make money via this application. You can connect your PayPal account with this app, and all of your earnings will be transferred to your PayPal account, and you will get the reward through this methodology. This is a very legit and safe app that can enable you to earn money on PayPal. Finally, on number 1, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards and loyalty program located in El Segundo, California. Proj LLC runs that. A penny is worth one. Swagbucks. You will generally swap 100 SB for S1 in gift cards or cash, or a S25 PayPal deposit for 2500 SB. Swagbucks is a real organization. About $400 have been paid out to members. Swagbucks has helped some users win close to $12,000. Swagbucks is also a safe way for adolescents to raise some extra cash. I know many people who are associated with this app, and they are making such a handsome amount here. Opportunities for beginners and skilled persons are available in a wide range. You are just needed to get the basic idea of working on this app, and you can be able to earn cash via this platform, and this is much easier than any physical effort. This information will serve as a guide for you if you are looking for online earning sources. After this information, you will surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you can be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this will surely such a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you have to get your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will stay in connect with us.